have you ever wanted to clean your dog in the utility sink, but you have no way because there's no hose? You definitely don't want to rinse them or clean them in your kitchen sink because obviously, you're cleaning dishes in there and you don't want to clean the dog in there. So the answer is that you can use a Rinseroo. This is the long version. You could give the dog a bath in the shower with this, but if you wanted to use it in the utility sink, you simply disconnect it mid-hose and you can stretch it on to the faucet. It rolls up nicely. It'll fit any sink faucet. Just have to roll it and that makes a nice snug fit. And then you just simply turn on the water. I'm not going to give her a full bath here because she's not that dirty. That's a little bit hot, but you get the idea. Simply rinse, get them a nice quick bath, and they don't seem to mind it too much because it's a hose, it's not really spraying all over. Then you turn it off, it slips right off. Your dog is clean and you're ready to move on to a shower or something else with the Rinseroo.